Mabuti na lang meron akong infirmary dito sa isla. Napagamot ka kaagad. You're out for days. But, don't worry. Nabigyan ka ng sufficient medical attention ng mga doktor dito. Miss, huwag ka muna bumangon. Hindi mo pa kaya.
Magmukhawan!
Makakasama sa'yo yan.
Mukhawa.
I want you to have this.
Bakit? May okasyon ba?
No, it's been a year since matagpuan kita dito sa shore sa isla. And since that day, nang dumating ka sa buhay ko, binago mo ako for the better. So consider this a thank you gift for coming into my life.
Maybe I did something wrong in my old life kaya pinaparusahan ako ng Diyos ng ganito. Well, if that's the case, if I was a bad person before, parang ayoko na lang bumalik yung alaala ko. I don't want to be that person anymore.
Alam mo, hindi ako naniniwalang masamang tao ka noon. Nakikita ko sa mga mata mo, mabuti ang kalooban mo.
Salamat.
Don't thank me yet. I still have one more thing for you.
Franco.
I know it won't replace your real hand, pero kahit pa paano, makakatulong to sa pang-araw-araw mong gawain, pagbihis, pagkain, and basically just get on with life. And maybe baka makatulong din to sa pag-busulit ng self-esteem mo.
Bakit mo to ginagawa? Bakit ang bait-bait mo sa akin?
To be honest, it's because you remind me so much of my ex-girlfriend, si Audrey. You know, she was the love of my life. Kakasal na dapat kami, but she died before our wedding.
Remove the dead tissues sa pamamagitan ng rebridement method. But, unfortunately, na-damage ang hair follicles on a large part of your head. Kaya kinalulungkot ko, pero malabo nang tumubo ulit ang buhok mo gaya ng dati.